Ever wondered why some of the most common health issues could be solved by a simple root? Yes, we're talking about ginger. This fiery root, a staple in kitchens worldwide, is not just a culinary delight, but also a goldmine of health benefits. From the aromatic dishes of Asia to the comforting teas of the West, ginger weaves its magic everywhere. Its prevalence in traditional medicine isn't a coincidence either. But what makes this root so potent in tackling health issues? Let's delve into the health benefits of this powerful root. Ginger, a wonder root, carries a plethora of health benefits. Let's break them down. First up is the anti-inflammatory properties of this pungent root. Scientific studies have found that ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This means ginger can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key driver of many chronic diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. Next, let's talk about digestive health. Ever had a stomach ache and reached for a ginger ale? That's because ginger has been used for centuries to soothe digestive discomfort. It's thought to speed up stomach emptying and relieve feelings of bloating and discomfort. Now, for those who are watching their sugar levels, ginger could be a useful tool in your arsenal. Studies have shown that ginger may help lower blood sugar levels and improve heart disease risk factors in patients with type 2 diabetes. And for the ladies out there, did you know that ginger might help reduce menstrual pain? Yes, you heard it right. Research has shown that ginger can be as effective as pain-relieving medication in reducing the pain associated with menstrual cramps. Next, we have the potential benefits of ginger for your heart health. Some research indicates that ginger can lead to significant reductions in LDL cholesterol, the bad type of cholesterol that can lead to heart disease. Last but certainly not least, ginger could potentially play a role in preventing cancer. The cell-protecting properties of the gingerol compound can potentially help prevent the growth of certain types of cancer cells. These are just a handful of the benefits that ginger can provide. There's so much more to this humble root than meets the eye. So the next time you're preparing a dish, why not add a little extra ginger? Not only will it spice up your meal, but it could also give your health a significant boost. Our health can be greatly impacted by the foods we consume, and ginger is a perfect example of this. In a world where fast food is the norm, it's vital to understand the health benefits of commonplace foods. Making informed dietary choices can transform our health and wellness. This is the mission of The Altruist, to empower you with useful, reliable health information. Subscribe to The Altruist for more health-related videos, and let's make healthier choices together.